The other day I was extracting coconut oil and so many people started commenting that that was not how it was done because the heat could make it lose its properties. So today I will show you a much more natural way to prepare extra virgin coconut oil at home. After removing and chopping the coconut into small pieces, we put it in the blender and add enough water. Now we blend everything very well until we get a fairly thick mixture. When it is ready, we are going to strain it to extract all the liquid. Then repeat the process with the leftover pulp to get as much oil as possible. We will put the coconut milk we obtained into the freezer for 8 hours. After that time, you will notice that the coconut fat will have completely separated from the water. Now we leave it in the sun for a few minutes to melt. Then we take a thin cloth and squeeze the mixture very well to extract the pure oil. Finally, just put it in a clean container and that is it. It is that easy to get homemade extra virgin coconut oil.